So I'd like to introduce to you this powerful candle strategy. So this is CRT indicator, and as you all know that CRT has become one of the most powerful pattern of strategy in this trading industry. So I took my time, and by the help of the Holy Ghost, I was able to come out with this powerful indicator that helps you to find signals very quick and fast. So I think I did the first video on how you can get it. So if you know watch my first video, I'll leave the link in the description below. You can go there and check it out. So today I'd like to break down a trade that I took on Friday. That is on AUD USD using this powerful indicator. So first of all, we see that on Thursday CRT was formed over here. Before that, prior to that, on Wednesday there was a big drop. I think there was a news over here and there was a big drop here. Then on Thursday we traded below the low of the previous candle and we closed in the range. And this means that our CRT has been formed, and by the close of the day, then the indicator gave me a signal that I should be looking for buys the next day. So this is the time frame that I use. I use the daily time frame for my buyers, and I use the 4 hour for alignment. That is, if I'm buying on the daily time frame, the 4 hour has to align with my direction, and I take my entries on the 15-minute time frame. This is how I go about my trade, my strategy. So I had a CRT on Thursday, so it means that on Friday I'm looking for buys on AUD USD. Now I'll not just wake up on Friday and just buy. I have to make sure that my 4 hour is also aligning to my direction. So next I just have to go to my 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, I have to make sure that I am having a bullish alignment with the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame I'm actually looking for buy per the signal. So this Friday, from this line here to here is Friday, and on Friday when it comes to the 4 hour time frame, you can see that I have an order block here that was formed. Now note this, CRT must form at a key level. That is, the second candle must tap into a key level, either an order block, a fair value gap, or a breaker block. This is very, very important. Now, if your CRT is failing, probably this might be what you are missing out, because for you to get the accurate CRT, it must tap into a key level. So this is my key level, which is this order block. I'll make a video on why I choose this as my order block. So I would like you to subscribe to my channel and then hit the notification button so that anytime I release any video, you will get it. So this is my order block, also my key level. So what I'm expecting is for price to tap into this key level, and when price tap into this key level, I have to see a bullish intent in the market. I have to see that the market or the direction is changing, because you can see that we are bearish over here. So when price came in tap, you will see that we add another CRT over here. The second candle, which is the 2 a.m. candle, tap into this key level, which is this order block, and then it's closed in the range of the first candle. Now the indicator gave me a signal for a buy, so it means that I'm looking for buys in this candle. This is step by step. So now we are going to the 15-minute, which is our last time frame for our entry, and as I said, we are trading this candle, which is the 6 a.m. candle. So now I go to the 15 minutes, and this what is there. Okay, so this Friday again, and you can see that I have some highlights over here I have Asia, I have land in New York, and I have New York AM, and then I have New York lunch or New York PM. So this is actually my key time. Those are the times that I look for entries. Now, either I look for entries right in that time, or just after that time, or just before that time. Understand? So it's a 1 hour, time window that I use for my entries. They are key levels, so you can see that price actually, reverses at those key levels. As you can see, those are the times that price what reverses. So now, when I came to the 15 minutes, now this is a candle that I'm trying to, trade. Now you can see that we had a sweep here. There is a sweep right here, and after the sweep, we had a market structure shift here. Now, an order block 2 was also formed right here. There is another block. As I said, I'll make a separate video on how to choose order blocks and also how to choose fair value gaps. So this is my order block, and this is a market structure shift right here too. And you can see that we also have a fair value gap here, a fair value gap here. So I was looking at this fair value gap. So when I spotted this fair value gap, I made a screenshot and then sent it to my Telegram channel for my followers to also take the same trade. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, I'll leave the link also in the description below. You can just click on it and then join my channel and join the winning team. So as I said, we are looking for buy here, and price traded down. We took out this low. This is a trigger, or some will call it inducement, some will call it a trigger. Anyway that you call it, it just means the same thing. You understand? I call it a sweep. It's a sweep of this low over here into the fair value gap, and then also into the other block at a key time. Now at a key time. So as soon as I see this happening at a key time, I'll just take my trade right here. I won't just look for anything else. I'll just take my trade right here, and then stop loss just below the low of the first candle. The second candle, and then you take your profits. I normally want to take my 3 hour. I like my 3 hour. Okay, I like my 3 hour, or just the previous high here. So sometimes we can take profit here, the previous high here, or here. You can take partials at these levels, but our main target is the high of the CRT, which is here, the high of the CRT. So at key time, you can see that there is a rally up here, and even if you miss this, there was actually another opportunity. You can see that after price tap into the fair value gap, another fair value gap was also created right here. Another fair value gap was also created right here, and then you can see that after price rallied up at key time again, which is 2 p.m. GMT, price came and tap, and also there was another shoot right here. So if you miss the first one, you could have catch this one too. Then you take your profit. You can take your 4 hour, sorry, your 3 hour, or you see that this give us 5 hour.